As we all know, the theme of this conference was the various dimensions of the coronavirus problem. And today we have some four scholars with us, four speakers with us, and first of them is Dr. Vidyarthi Nanduri. Dr. Vidyarthi Nanduri is a high voltage engineer from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He was a fellow in the University of Sydney, Australia. He published some 50 scientific papers and 24 books. Uh, he is a specialist on cosmology, Vedas, interlinks. And today he is going to speak on OM space environment, human being, 10 sex global peace. So I invite Dr. Vidyarthi Nanduri to start his lecture. Dr. Vidyarthi.
Om Sai, good evening everybody.
Good evening, good evening.
It's great.
His picture is not visible.
Om Ganesham Pahimam, Siddhi Vinayakam Rakshavam, Om Trim Chachushe Sarvalokanam, Srinivasaya Mangalam, Susubna Avahamurtaye, Om Gayatrim Tilochirim, Siloketam, Adyaksha. What we are talking is also related to Vivekam, Buddhiman, Sustiraha. Question comes, where from and where to? Due to the Nobel laureates, they put the question, Kahaha Kim, Athato Brahma Jignasaha. Where from we have to search, and where from we have to decipher. Om, space, Kam Jyotihi. Environment is earth cover. Earth cover covers up to Prithvi. Prithvi is 100 AU, 100 times beyond the sun. Apaha, what is the flow? We are receiving it. Human being, ionized flow occupies the shape of the body. Now I introduce plasma as the fourth state of matter. All of you are aware of it, solid, liquid and gas. The fourth state of matter available all over, or 99.99% of the universe is under plasma. So plasma occupies the shape of the body. That means flow is occupying your shape of the body. In a simple way, if you put water on your head, the flow occupies your shape of the body. Then what exactly is the sensex? That is sensitive index. Human being, sensitive index. Flow, fields, source. You can understand the magnetic fields, orientation. Some you can see from the globe, you can always see that the magnetic fields also gets oriented. And you have to look for protective index. So now today's state of anarchy results in this coronavirus situation or other type of situations. We need to put our mind and conscious wisdom how to prevent, or prevention better than the cure. The globe is north, south, east, west and compass. This subject is also comes under Charchaniya Antyamo. In Telugu, it is what is called Charcha, is called discussion, digest and dialogue. So where is the peace for the global? We are living under the tree. We have to search for Himalayan wisdom. Who am I? Now question comes, Bhakti, Yoga, Yogi Shuddhyana Gamyam, Jnanam. If we can integrate these three aspects of it, then automatically we need concentration, meditation and dedication. Today's situation is like e-ploy, employ, deploy like a biological warfare. Research development becomes more crucial. Guiding spirit has to help us to focus upon get organized or perish. This is the present situation. To look at the tail to head, who is riding the head tiger? In Indian philosophy, we call it Durga, Durgamam, Durgamam. Durgamam means difficult to cross over or climb over. In other side also you will see Gomukham Vyaghram. So we misled or partly our person vary unless we have a dedicated spirit. So what is required is think tanks and a conscious spirit. Buddhivan Sustiraha. Now go for the next line. We light a lamp. You see it here in this lamp. The light, you can see it on 4 corners like a diamond shape. This is a special lamp or special glass I have put it. Normally I put 3 lamps in one within the whatever is the deepam. So in other words, if somebody looks from the sun diamond light is also like a diamond light, 4 corners. So also if you can see through this glass what I have made it, moon also have got a 4 corners, you can see the 4 corners light. So what is the significance of it? Some of the significance automatically goes even to Sabarmere, where some discipline index is required. So some of the aspects cover may be of interesting to a lot of group of people, including medical science groups. And let me see what I could cover on this subject. The first slide shows necessity for identification and protection index. Get organized or perish it introduces the Abhishekam, antenna for social distancing, and more on knowledge-based culture. The culture, prevention, knowledge-based culture. Prevention is better than sensex. This is what we are working out through cosmology, Vedas, interlinks. I have a number of books. I am the author. You can always see that Vedic vision of the universe, Vedic vision of the universe 1, Vedic universe of the vision 2. So all these information comes from a different perspective. If you look at it, this part of it, you can always see that the flow sequence from the source to Shankam Chakram. You can see that, and you can always see that a spiral mode is down also or uplink. You can always see how to introduce Sri Chakra as a concept. Sri Chakra, if you really look at it, is like your left ear and right ear processing. Head is under processing. So from where your head is or to where your head can be linked. You are standing on the earth planet. So naturally, where is your heart linked? Where is your mind linked? And where to put our consciousness? And consciousness must be providing a stabilized state of direction. So this is what is required here is this. In any compass mode, or lot of people, including compass church people, are also looking direction beyond the sun. So what is required here is Adityavan Bhavati Suryam. People have neglected Aditya. We are looking at it. Chandrama Manso Yatha Chaksho Suryo Jayata. sun and moon are one reflecting towards a central plane. That is where our spinal column and spinal cord comes into the picture. So the interaction started with nuclear and plasma science groups operating and questioning. That's the Nobel laureate Alphen. And he has questioned the entire Indian community in 1984. So the result, the type of presentation or type of projections in my books will be different. The first book is 1993, Plasma Vision of the Universe. You can also see that the spiral mode, I call it Shambhu Nadam. And the other side of it, you can see plasma arc process. That is my own patent. And I am a specialist in these plasma arc processes. Plasmas have got different type of applications. So I will cover it part of that in my lecture. Now the first book actually introduces cell. Each cell is a transmitter and a receiver plus sustains some energy level. So if you look at it and analyze one by one, this book has got number of projections. Anywhere you can always see that. Every projections finally links to RNA, DNA, and also bioenergy, ARA, so many other fields. It links like that. So there are number of projections, about 50. Each book normally has got about 50 or 60 projections. One can always see, I have to give a detailed lecture on each book, which takes 1 hour for each book. I have about 24 books. And finally, it results into a structure of this type. This tallies with the Indian philosophy and statement, what we say that Narayana Drudro Jayate, Narayana Drudro Jayate. Then how is this human being interlinked? The second book goes a little bit further. This comes under plasma to cosmic plasma. Cosmic plasma is introduced by Nobel laureate Alphen. Now he puts the question to Indians, including some of his own students, Indian students. They could not immediately answer. Then there was one student also, Dr. G.S. Murthy. He worked under him, and when the Nobel laureate started questioning that India has got the knowledge base, can you provide some more information? Then he has not provided information in the right spirit. The question comes now is Dvadasa Jyotirlingas. Then even Ganesha, how he has linked to Dvadas Jyotirlingas, how he is in a position to catch even when Ravana is trying to take away a Shivalinga. So these are all simple scientific projections which helps the scientific Asian culture. Next slide. Next slide.
Slides are not visible, Vidyarthi.
Yeah. No, I am looking at the next slide. The next slide gives the information on what I have actually provided, space, environment, etc. It introduces behind you, spirit, there is a spinal column. Hindu cosmology is in consonance and resonance with modern science. The scientific Asian culture, Sri Rama temples, Krishna temples, and Venkateswara temples have got specific significance, and all this get integrated through Badrinath, Anantapadmanabha Swami. Then one has to look at Gokarna has significant links to Varanasi and Kedarnath. Indian science need to establish credentials through cosmology, Vedas, interlinks. Get organized cosmology, world peace in time. What is required here is interdisciplinary modes of interaction. Automatically helps inventors, inventions promotion, and exchange, which requires also an advisory body. Spirit of technology management, there is a peaceful living index. The scientific age and culture, space, cosmology, Vedas interlinks. Now, today's situation requires to save Earth planet and life support below ionosphere, below Prithvi, then look for the cosmology studies. The change and exchange is a transform index. What is meant by transform? Shivalinga, in other part of it, or some people interpret it as transform index. Next slide, please. Now here, this is what I dedicated. The work started in 1984 to decipher the knowledge base through science in Vedas. There is a message from my Guruji, Sitaram Chendulu, at that time, of which that the scientists are unable to follow Vedas. I really wonder what is that significance to me, which reference to my background. I have high voltage engineering, plasma science, then I am an inventor, and earlier I was also working in VHL, then I gave about 10 patents. But then the patents inventors are neglected a lot in our own Indian enterprise. Now here in this slide, you will see that there is an earth globe.
Slide is not visible.
Yeah.
You share the slides.
Yeah, can you see the?
No, we can't see, but you share the slides on screen.
No, can you see the slides?
No.
We can't see.
No, then you put the slides. Don't worry about mine.
So you
So for that you will
press
have to
this
share the screen. Yes.
Share the screen.
No. Either you click the slides.
No.
I will explain.
You have to do it.
Or I will click the slides here. Then you have to see whether you are getting processing.
No. You will have to share your slides first. You press this share screen, then press your slide.
Share screen.
What
Share
he says
screen.
is press the
You
slide
go to the
or
share screen at the.
enter. Okay. You see that now?
No.
No. Have you? I have uploaded the PowerPoint.
No, you have not uploaded as yet.
You are not uploaded.
No, you have not uploaded. You have not.
I have uploaded. Right now, I
it is
am
to be
seeing.
uploaded by you through share screen.
No, pardon.
Yeah.
What do you want me?
You ask
in my screen.
this
In my screen.
Adi Lakshmi. Ask Adi Lakshmi. She will click on share screen. Then she will click on your file, PDF, this PPT file. Then it will be uploaded.
No. Can you come and upload it? Just 1 minute. Hold on.
Yes. Yeah.
Please upload. It's by Adi Lakshmi. I am trying to.
Adi Lakshmi, you click on the share screen.
Okay.
And then you click on the file, PPT file.
Okay.
Then it will be shared.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Vidyarthi ji has not done anything.
Now see. No,
Share
can you
screen.
see, sir?
At the bottom, you will find in green icon that is share screen. Just click on that.
The
share
bottom
screen,
line, in the bottom line, you will find so many options: mute,
Yes,
stop
yes.
video,
Oh,
security,
okay.
participants chat. Then share screen is there.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you click. Yes.
Yes, now it's coming.
Yeah. Now
And
it
you-
is coming. Now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now it's okay. Okay. Yes,
Okay,
Vidyarthi ji,
thank you.
go ahead now.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now you have the slides.
Yes. Now.
Very nice of you.
Carry on.
Now,
Yeah.
can I say that you click on number 1, number 2, number 3 like that way?
No, you go on speaking and clicking on your slides.
Now control is in your hands, sir.
Okay, that's okay. If I can you control it, you are in a position to see it, communication.
Yes.
Very nice
It's
of you.
controlled
Very
by
nice.
you only.
Okay, now next slide. Go. Where is the Go to the next one.
That's
Yeah,
it.
right. The second slide I have given the information and what I have sent it to you. Go back. You want me to repeat it? That's welcome.
No, it's
Home,
okay.
space, environment, and human being that I have already talked over. The slide is presenting it here. Just now I talked over this entire matter on this slide. You want me to repeat it?
No,
I will
no.
repeat. Then go ahead with the next slide. Go to the next slide. Go to the next slide. Yeah. Now here this is the dedicated spirit. What I am showing it is right on this. There is an earth globe and Van Andel belts. Nothing. Can you see it or not? Then you can see Van Andel belts. Earth is surrounded by 3 Van Andel belts. You have to interpret it through Triguna Bhakyaya, then Trigunatmikam, then all that. Now where is the divine God? In search of divine God, if you see at the lower end, you see a diamond mode light. And on the other side of it, you can also see a laser light. These are the ESO groups. There are about 18 countries. European Space Organization, 18 countries, all astronomers are also searching. So this interpretation is very helpful for Indian knowledge-based culture. Go ahead. Thus, this is the lecture I have given it at Tirupati 2007. The Itihasa Sankalpa Samiti, that is the Indian history part of the association groups, were trying to locate an expert how to introduce or how to interlink modern science. They waited for 2 months and finally the secretary has contacted me. I have given a key lecture how to introduce and how to link modern science through Sri Tattva Darshanam also. Now in the bottom of it, you are seeing it, a plasma arc process. That is my own patent. In the right end of it, you see that Shambhu Nadam, I call it Shambhu Nadam. Spiral mode, Shankam, that's the NASA image. Now you are seeing earth glow, then you are seeing it, Sri Krishna is Kaliya Nartana. That is more relevant to today. How to control this type of virus, type of a function. Then you are seeing how to introduce the temple in a 3-tier concept. Then how to introduce a divine, cosmic divine function. Cosmic divine function means cosmology is a borderland between science and philosophy. So naturally, science of philosophy, philosophy of science, and a neutral mode sets comes into the picture. So this is cosmology definition I have given it. Big Bang doesn't have a definition, and even Princeton till 2011 also they are searching for a definition for Big Bang. So the whole question comes here is evolution to creation. Evolution is under biological frame. So the Darwin has left the creative part of it to Big Bang. Big Bang doesn't want God at a reference frame. So the result, creative aspects of our own Indian philosophy is not properly understood or deliberately misguided. This is how this black hole concept, so many other things also come into picture. We don't make Shankam as a black hole. That's why I'm seeing it. NASA image itself provides you a specific, light mode. Yes. Next one. I have projected here Omkaram iti pratyaksham Brahma Surupinim Gayatrim. Omkaram is Akara, Ukara, Makara iti. Then go to Mangalam. It should bring you welfare. Come. Sham is also welfare. Come is space. So what is required here is we have to project our knowledge-based culture in proper way. This is the crux of the problem, and India has the advantage, but we have got to get it organized so that more people get interacted in the right. Na anya pantha ayana vigate. There is only one route. That route is to catch up with Purnamatam, Purnamidam, Purnat, Purnam Vijjate, Purnasya, Purnam Adaya, Purnamev Avashishyate. The concepts have to be introduced in the right spirit. So you can always see that here, you can always see how Sri Krishna's logic or the Mahabharata is very much relevant. Glanir Bhavati Bharati. Even today, India, we are seeing it under Glani. Oh, no, something here. Okay, that some other message is coming. Oh, don't worry. Glani, please go ahead. Back. So if you look at it on the Indian philosophy, the crux of the problem is Bhishmacharya has the interpretation for Vishnu Sahasranama. I put the question to a lot of historians. How is that Bhishma has not walked out of the war? I put the question to historians right from Impal and some other groups who attended this Tirupati talk. Then he got, what do you mean by that? A chief of army cannot walk out unless there is a valid excuse. So for about 9 days or 10 days, he is in conflict how to walk out because he is working against Dharma and he wants to protect Dharma. The conflict of interest automatically comes into the picture. So if you look at it as the entire Indian philosophy, we have to look beyond the Milky Way galactic plane. That's why I have written a few of these Sanskrit slokas, rewrite it. Shira Udbodh Priyache Hiran Maya Bhuti Adharaha Al Alankata. The garland mode of the divine function must be clearly understood. Go ahead. Next one I have put it up. Okay. Here I have put it. Sometimes somebody has covered my part of it sometime in 1997. A Manorama, some weekly magazine. Conundrums under the cosmos. Here I openly question Stephen Hawking at that time. Now the plasma vision automatically will be different. Now in the right side of it, you are seeing it Aswamedha, God, divine function over the horse. People are looking at it Aswamedha Yaga. I am looking at it Horse Nebula. The Horse Nebula filters the mind. That they reveal the knowledge through another divine person, through a messenger. So the conflict from 1992 is because of Horse Nebula. So if you look at it a little more in depth, then you can see Orion and Horse Nebula. Look beyond that part of it. That's how the Konark temple also comes into prominence. In the lower part of it, we have put it very clearly. Vedavyasaha Bhagavan Rishiki Ganesha Upasravanam. Sravanam Upasravanam. Then what happens is Sharanagati Tattva. People have not understood Sharanagati Tattva. It is not that sacrifice. It is surrender your senses so that your conscious plane is linked to Na Anya Pantha Enai Vichate. You have to express the knowledge based on spirit. Next. Here you can always see that your ear is linked to the entire body. I feel this may be very useful for a lot of doctors. You can see, identify the pinpoint out each body part of it linked to the ear. And on the lower part of the ear, this is the data provided by German doctors. Right in almost 1990, 91, like that way. Okay. Then they were working how to prevent cancer. Saying, re-normalize the cells, don't kill the cells. There is an Iskadar. They have also come out with a Iskadar. Some people say Iskadar has come from our own Ayurvedic treatment only. So, but we have to take the right type of the spirit and right type of this one. Then on the, you can also see the frequency spectrum of all the planetary system. This is what is going to affect your own biological sensitivities. Okay. Now you are all seeing it that in the lower part of it, there is a magnetic field. The magnetic field starts moving slightly away towards Siberia. Let the shift. Then the other part of it is, I have put it deliberately, a globe with a light, and on the two sides or other thing like that. If you charge two extreme energies under the globe, under whatever is the pretext, this is where the CERN also comes into picture, God particle name or any other thing like that. If you are maybe making an experiment somewhere, but it boomerangs somewhere else, so it can, there is a word of caution and also regulation. So also heart. So also if you are aware of the Columbia disaster, how the disaster has come. One, inferiors of materials, plasma arc process can help testing of high temperature materials. That project was referred to me. I have given a report also. After 10 years or 12 years, I see Columbia disaster right in USA. That means they have used inferior materials. So this is the state of what is required is the intellectuals are not utilized in time, and also society has to get the benefit of it. There is a lot of gap between the cup and the lip. I am an inventor of plasma arc heater. I am also inventor of an antenna. Antenna also can be used even for satellite communication, so many other things. I tested it for 12 channels of Doordarshan, and I showed it to even ECIL and some other Bharat Electronics. I requested them to produce it. I am a scientist. It's a patent. This is the state of things now. Next, go ahead. Now here you can see that a Russian biologist looking at 6 months baby to 1 year and 2 years, how does the development takes place? And he comes up to that, what you call it, gamete radiation, and comes up to Sri Chakra and leaves it off. Further projections have to come from India. So this is the type of interface in what is required. On the other side of it, you look at the middle of this one. European people, they just look at it, throwing away baby into now today's so-called black hole. The concept of black hole is wrong. So that's why I put it that they have to correctly even the terminology. So there's a magnetic field index and there's a control element. Control, regulation, everything is at the galactic plane. So this is the type of lectures I give it. On the right hand corner of that, we are seeing it that a spinal column and a spinal column image from space. Your spinal column, is it an implant on your body? If you look at it, then you have to evolve automatically a 3-tier body center principle. Physical body center, then subtle body center, then you have to say mind, where is it? Stability and consciousness. Brain and consciousness. Western society has not understood consciousness. Indian society only can understand buddhi atmanaiva, manaha prakriti swabhavaha. So these are the separate aspects of it which are already covered in most of my book. Next. Now here you can see that I have provided a separate information which will be useful for all the ladies. Biological rhythm and geophysical rhythms. The 27 days natural cycle. So naturally, social distancing is applicable. What for? That is, all girls and ladies, they understand something like a 12-year cycle. Solar cycle is a 11-year cycle. Then look, stability cycle as a 12 years. Every girl wants 12 years, 12 years, 12 years. So under the custody of the parent, then the next study, then go into family life, etc. So all this is a science. Social distancing is essential, even also that way, and also for concentration and meditation, it is also required. Now on the right side of it, you can see that acupuncture, acupressure, you are seeing it even the foot. Foot is connected to the entire body. So that may be also useful for medical doctors. The question here is from toe to everywhere they can go on, they cannot go on, which cutting it up. Then affects. Then on the lower side of it, is connected to the body. So what is required is for this coronavirus or any other type of this one is ear, nose and throat. So if you look at it, I can always show you a simple way. Take one simple, expose it to sunlight And this is a 6 inches, just ordinary, magnifying glass. Expose it to your mouth, half a minute. All your saliva problems, everything, all that will get vanished. I daily use that. So next one, go ahead. Now you can always see that. What is our 7-dimensional, those who have overloha, all lokas, everything like that, you have to project it. This is the type of science, nuclear plasma science people are looking at this part of it. You are seeing it, a fishing mode of galactic plane, which is not a healthy thing. What is a fishing mode? Meenakshi, Madhura Meenakshi. What is Meenakshi? Is an eye view. If you put that eye view beyond sun and up to 100 AU, the conflicts, even social conflicts on the continent, whether it is Muslims or Christians or Palestinians, other people also, can be removed by presenting concentration, meditation, dedication. What is required is Bhaktire Vainam Gamayati. Next, Yogi Hrudyana Gamyam. The neutral plane is Jnana. Next, go ahead. Now you can see that I have projected Yogi mode beyond the sun. Your Navi, if you look at it, you are below the sun and earth plane. Where is your heart linked? Where is your mind? And how to set your mind? Abhimukham. Abhimukham, Abhinetram, or what you call it, Vishyam, Drashta, Drishti, Drishyate. So where is this? How to discover this type of knowledge base? Now on the middle of it, I have put it Mahavishnu. Lot of people have not understood Mahatattva. Mahavishnu, I projected it 240 Vishnus. You can see on that. That book is also available here. Okay. Then Vishnu. That means Shesha Amcha Harihi Om Tattat. Shesha Amcha Rama Yajanandana Kalkirupa. Sequential analysis, if you really put it, the divine, what you call it, listen to the galactic plane will be made very clear. These projections in all my projections will help you on that, this one. Okay. Next slide, go ahead. Next slide, yeah. Here I have put it very clearly another part of it that requires World Health Organization's attention also. In a plants like Corba or any other things like that, open cast mines, there is a lot of thermal pollutions, so many other things, and the type of lead, arsenic, so many other that affects your body. So the question is, how do we prevent that sort of things? My opinion, plasma arc process can be used for coal gasification. Coal need not be transported in the normal way. It can be through a gasification through the pipeline. Plasma arc has also got pollution and so many other applications. And the other part of it is also plasma, the low density plasmas are also used for sterilization. It's also for medical applications. And this area seems to be neglected in India. You can see this paper. It's all lot of references. If I will read it for a while, it will be very easier for you. There are 3 commonly encountered states of matter, solid, liquid, etc. Then recent studies have shown that plasma can efficiently inactivate microbial pathogens such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses, in addition to degrading toxins. Plasma arc process all these toxic medicines left over by even in the hospitals can be incinerated. I can help provide that type of incinerator also. Then there is a lot of area which needs an active attention. India has to take advantage of it. And simply be saying that this is the fruit, today it has fallen down from a mango. Now what do you call it? Am I to take benefit of the fruit, or am I looking beyond Newton? As a scientist, I look beyond Newton. I compile the information last 400 years. What is the type of Newton to present day? What is the present day science? Similarly, from Darwin to today, what is the present day science? Why they are unable to ajitatva, go little beyond. We are sexual, we are below the tree, but then we have to look beyond the tree. This aspect of it is known as Suparna. I presented first interaction. Dva Suparna. Can you read it? This is known as Jivatma Isham Avasyam Yudam Jagat. One bird under the tree has to take care of the family. The other bird above the tree look how to protect in a simple way. But our physical nature is our Jivatma. But Atma, Paramatma. The question here is Atmanam Gatihi Govinda Namaha. So you have to look at it, how to elevate yourself, and unless a Ajitatva is achieved, don't come to a partial conclusion. Base level, root level cannot understand the fruits. So the benefit of the fruits have to come to all the humanity. That is the essence of our Indian philosophy. Yes, go ahead. Here I am seeing it, I am projecting it very clearly. Mahavaraha Tattva is different from Bhuvaraha Tattva. Mahavaraha Tattva is how to keep afloat Sri Mahavishnu. So Sri Mahavishnu, as I projected it to you in any of these books or any other thing, like that, I have informed you, it is about 240 Vishnus. On the cover page itself, I have put it. The distributor, that is Lulu and .com, what is that, sir? This way, nobody is presenting any books like that. No, I want it so that people must understand what the significance of elevated, enlightened spirit. So what is required here is this. You are very clearly seeing it, that Kaliya Ratna on the left side, then you are also seeing it, a Shambhu Nadam. I call that as Shambhu Nadam. That means earth plane up to the sun, including planetary system, is a plasma region. So the automatically energy is received from that. So how is that? It is linked up and elevated. So magnetic field is neglected and Sri Chakra is also neglected. Then on the other side, you are seeing it, Akasha Ganga, then that also will be correlated to Ganges. Then you have to see ionized flow matter. Akasham, people have not understood either in the Western society. You click on Wikipedia anywhere, either they have not properly put it at all. Akasham has to be looked beyond that point is Prakasham. Prakasham goes to Swayam Prakasham. That is the most significance of Varanasi. Otherwise, you have to look from down to up or up to down. If you look at it from Samam Jyotirgamaya, what happens here is sets beyond the matter. So the light has to activate the matter, including you may be under the dark matter. Dark matter is projected by Western society to mislead Indian science. So there is an enlightened conscious wisdom is required to understand the divine significance. Go ahead, next one. Now here, This projection of this three-dimensional coronavirus may not be, I don't see it in the normal way. Because I received it only 2 days or 3 days back. CERN seems to be working on that type of this one. And they also say 52 different type of this one have been tested even in March. From January, we are on alert, all other things. The whole question here is this: are they hiding some amount of information? And some regulation is required. In my way, because they are not understood, in the name of God particle, they are also misusing energy levels, too high energy levels, yet planet cannot. And that is why I said, if we are putting experiments in one corner, you cannot say that the other side of the corner will not receive energies. So if you look at it, if there is an earthquake in the Indian continent or South Asian continent, you can also see a partial earthquake right in Ohio. So globe is smaller. For people like normal way, I can always explain it that take the globe diameter or the earth diameter, take the speed of light, then one divide by the other, then you will get a frequency. Frequency is 7.2 cycles. This is known as Schumann frequency. Multiply 7.8, multiplier. Our Indian electricity is on 50 cycles. Then metro stations operate on 825 cycles, etc. Then your conscious plane has to be also tuned one cycle to 100 cycles. Lower than one cycle is advantage for Omkara, which is Pratyaksham Brahma. Go ahead. You can see the number of books available on this one. All are also listed in different this one. 15 books are also available. And this is Adityavan Bhavati Surya Namaha. We have forgotten Aditya. Dvadas Aditya we have forgotten. And link to Dvadas Jyotirlinga also we have forgotten. So there is a different type of knowledge. Now,
thank you, Vidyarthi ji. As
this
you
is
have,
the antenna. This is the antenna which is already invented and
Okay.
tested for 12, whatever you call it, Doordarshan channels.
I see.
That is patented. On the backside of it, you are seeing it. Chinese people have put the same type of a design for satellite frequency. I put this design is with me since 1972, and I tested it for different applications. This can be used for a lot of monitoring, including disaster management, including satellite communication. You can also use it for various type of, what you call it, robot control, so many other things. So frequency effect is a transmitter, it's a receiver, and I really wonder if I put Ganesha inside this design, listening post. My prayers can be listened. Then what happens? I can redesign these things. There are a lot of applications and also different type of projections. Any people welcome, they are welcome. They can support inventors. Copyrights are also protected. So this is the type of new knowledge-based plasmas, electromagnetic fields will lead science for the next 100 years. So nice of you all that you are listened to my talk with all patients. Any questions are welcome. The subject is very wider. So I appreciate if they can send the questionnaire to my email. That makes me also to think, that makes others also to think.
Okay, thank you, Vidyarthi ji. You have already taken 10 minutes more than the times assigned to you. So now we can't invite questions, but our participants, they can ask any questions on your email. And we have seen that he says that knowledge, Indian culture is knowledge based, and these concepts of the Indian culture will have to be introduced in right spirit. And he has detailized so many concepts, just like Vishnu, Mahavishnu, Varaha, Akasha Ganga, and he also talked about that 27 days cycle. In fact, this cycle, the